Let's bake! Bibake tayo ng Italian bread. So, we're gonna use our bread machine. Bread machine, come out! Come out! Minimix ko lang siya dito, pero dito ko siya i-bake sa aking oven. Manual mix lang natin siya dyan. Okay. Warm water. Mouse. What do we need? Oh, this is super easy, guys. No eggs, no milk. Wow, all you need is flour, water, and sugar. That's it. Oh, no eggs, no milk, and no butter or oil. Measuring cup, that's all you need. So all you need is 2 teaspoons soap. 2 teaspoons soap.
What are you making now?
I'm making Italian bread. We're out of Italian bread. And 1 teaspoon sugar.
Okie dokie.
I can't believe it. No butter nor. That's it. 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 teaspoons salt, and let's do about 1 tablespoon yeast. Ilalagay ko siya sa freezer para hindi siya mag-flat. Kasi pag mag-flat yan, guys, ang ating tinapay flat pa sa ilong ko. So, bigyan natin siya 1 tablespoon. That much. So here's our ingredients: yeast, salt, no, sugar, salt, 2 cups warm water. Na-warm ko na yan, ilagay ko na yan sa microwave. Pinapapainit ko na kay Mike yan, ang aking kitchen helper. So now let's sift the flour. Marami tayong sifter, kaya mabili ka kung sino ang gusto na gamitin. So sift the flour. Okay. Put the water in. Yes. Sugar. Let it sit until the yeast activate. Now let's make the sugar in our flour. Palagi kong sinisift ang aking flour pag ako'y nagbibake. Tapos mix lang natin ang shell. Pwede na natin ilagay ang ating flour. Set natin ang manual. Sleep. Manual. Start. Yan. So, ito na ang ating dough. I-rise na natin siya dito, guys, ng mga 1 hour. Takpan lang natin siya ng plastic. So, pagkatapos ng ating dough, ipa-rise natin siya dito. Lagyan natin ng oil. Ayan. Pa-rise natin siya dito ng 1 oras. Ayan. Sino natin doon? Ayan. Ready siya, guys. Ayan ko. Ano na? 3. Pagbuhan natin, guys. So, malinis ang ating kamay. Punch natin siya sa gitna. Ganon. Tapos, lagyan natin ng flour ng ating board. Ayan. Hatiin sa gitna. Magawa tayo ng 12 pieces. Ganun mo yan, guys. Ito ang gagawin natin eh. 6 dito. 6. Tansya lang natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So, tansya lang natin. So, ganyan lang yan hanggang sa mata. So, para sa ating glaze, hindi ako gagamit ng white eggs. Ang gagamitin ko is gatas, vanilla. Hindi namin measure, i-eyeball na lang natin. Ayan. So, i-glaze natin ito sa taas ng ating Italian bread bago i-bake. So, i-preheat na natin ang ating oven. Bake, 450. Preheat.
We'll run rewiring on the second floor. It'll go into the second floor utility, but not downstairs. Upstairs. Yes. Good.
That's good.
I mean, I walk into the bathroom, he's sound asleep. You can hear him snoring, and I lift the toilet seat to go potty, and he hears it click on the back of the tank when I lift it up. Wiley, what are you doing?